Welcome to Epoch Trades, where we trade the new age. Today we're going to be covering key levels on the monthly and weekly time frame for Ocean. So, as always, our key level criteria, we look for swing highs and swing lows, multiple rejections, acted as support and resistance, drastic moves away, obvious to spot, and recently formed. So, let's go ahead and hop right in. Now the first key level we notice is our monthly swing high here. So we can go ahead and plot that on the chart, which is obvious to spot as we see multiple reactions here and here with all the long wicks reacting as resistance, and as price comes up, hits, reverses drastically, which is obvious to spot here on the monthly chart. Now let's also go ahead and plot our monthly swing low. This is the lowest point, prices come down, hit, and reversed. Now, let's go ahead and hop to the weekly so we can see more price action. Now, here on the weekly, what can we see? We notice a key level right here. So we see multiple reactions acting as support and resistance, which is obvious to spot here on the weekly chart. We can also go ahead and plot a key level right here with multiple reactions acting as resistance and support, which is obvious to see here on the weekly chart. Now, another key level we can go ahead and plot. It's right here. Multiple reactions acting as resistance and support, which is obvious to spot here on the weekly chart. We can also plot this key level right here as we notice multiple reactions acting as support and resistance. So, looking at our more recent price action, we can go ahead and plot a key level right here. So we have multiple reactions acting as support and resistance. So, zooming out, what else do we notice? We can go ahead and see a key level right here. Multiple reactions acting as resistance and support. And notice how our most recent price action reacted to the same key level. So, zooming out, these are all the key levels plotted on the monthly and weekly chart for Ocean. Go ahead and plot these own levels on your own chart so you can learn and understand where price may react to as it rises or declines. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Go ahead and hit that like button, and I'll see you in the next one.